Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your trusted source for the best grooming gear, style tips, and product reviews for modern men. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2025. The perfect tools to help you maintain that clean, sharp, and confident look all year round. From precision trimming to powerful motors and long-lasting batteries, these trimmers offer professional-grade results right at home. Whether you're going for a clean fade, a stubble look, or a full beard style, we've got the best options for every grooming need and budget. Barber Pole. So if you're ready to upgrade your grooming game, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the top beard trimmers you should be using in 2025. Number 5. Black Peanut Clipper/Trimmer. The Wall Black Peanut is a compact yet powerful grooming tool favored by professionals and home users alike. Weighing just 4 ounces and shaped like a peanut, it's designed for precision trimming, detailed hairline work, and quick touch-ups. Its rotary motor delivers surprisingly strong performance for its size, while the detachable fine-tooth steel blade and 4 guide combs, 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, offer enough versatility for a range of grooming needs. Its quiet operation and cool running motor make it ideal for long sessions, especially for users who prioritize comfort and control. One of the Peanut's standout features is its durability. Many users report using the same unit for years, some even a decade, only needing to replace the blade occasionally. Maintenance is straightforward, with detachable blades that are easy to clean and widely available. While those with larger hands may find the small grip slightly awkward, and coarse hair might cause the occasional tug, these are minor trade-offs for its precision and reliability. Overall, the Wall Black Peanut remains a go-to choice for anyone seeking a dependable, travel-friendly trimmer that consistently delivers professional results. Number 4. Philips One Blade Pro. The Philips One Blade Pro is a versatile grooming tool that blends shaving, trimming, and edging in one sleek device. Its dual-sided blade easily follows facial contours and cuts in both directions, offering a comfortable, close shave with less irritation, especially ideal for those with sensitive skin. The included adjustable comb offers 14 length settings, 0.4 mm to 10 mm, making it great for maintaining stubble, shaping beard lines, or even light body grooming. With up to 90 minutes of cordless use on a 1-hour charge, full waterproofing for easy cleaning, and handy extras like a charging stand and travel pouch, it's a highly convenient grooming companion. However, the One Blade Pro isn't without its flaws. Some users find the plastic comb attachment a bit flimsy, with reports of it popping off mid-use or wearing down over time. While Philips claims each blade lasts up to 4 months with regular use, a few customers with thick hair notice dulling or snagging much sooner. Still, for light to moderate facial grooming, the One Blade Pro stands out as a reliable, travel-friendly solution. Just be mindful of its limitations if you have coarse hair or need long-term durability. Number 3. Remington B5. The Remington B5 Style Series Beard Trimmer strikes a strong balance between affordability and functionality, making it a standout option in the budget grooming market. Its titanium-coated, self-sharpening blades provide reliable cutting performance, while a built-in jogwheel dial allows for precise length settings from 0.4 mm to 18 mm, perfect for everything from close stubble to fuller beard styles. The rubberized grip adds comfort and control during trimming, and the convenience of micro-USB charging makes it easy to power up whether you're at home or traveling. With up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime, it delivers solid battery life for its price. That said, the B5 isn't without flaws. While it handles thicker beards reasonably well, performance at the shortest settings can feel slightly inconsistent, and the wide plastic comb can make detailing tighter areas, like under the jaw or around the mustache, more challenging. Build quality also leans toward the lightweight side, with a somewhat fragile-feeling housing and louder-than-average operation. Still, for users seeking a dependable, no-frills trimmer that delivers solid everyday results without breaking the bank, the Remington B5 is a value-packed choice. Number 2. Braun Beard Trimmer 7. The Braun Beard Trimmer 7 excels as a versatile grooming tool tailored for precision and control. With up to 40 length settings adjustable in 0.5 mm increments, ranging from 0.5 to 20 mm, it allows for highly customizable styling, from sharp stubble lines to longer, sculpted beards. Its lifetime sharp steel blades work in tandem with auto-sensing technology, which intelligently adjusts motor power based on beard density, ensuring smooth, consistent cutting even through coarse or uneven patches. The device is fully waterproof, making cleanup simple, and boasts an excellent battery life, 100 minutes of cordless use after a 1-hour charge, with a quick charge feature offering a full trim in just 5 minutes. Design-wise, the Trimmer 7 is sleek and ergonomic, with textured grips that enhance control during use. The front-facing dial makes adjusting lengths easy mid-trim, though some users note it can shift unintentionally due to loose detents. Braun includes thoughtful extras like a travel lock, charging stand, and pouch, making it a solid choice for travel and daily use alike. While the all-plastic body may not match the heft of premium trimmers, and the unit may warm slightly during long sessions, the overall performance, precision, and convenience make the Braun Beard Trimmer 7 a standout option for home grooming. Number 1. Philips BT9000 Prestige. The Philips BT9000 Prestige stands out as a top-tier beard trimmer, combining sleek full-metal construction with high-end engineering. Its standout feature, steel precision technology, includes an integrated steel comb and durable metal blades that maintain their shape under pressure, allowing for smooth, snag-free trimming, even on dense or coarse beards. With 30 length settings ranging from 0.4 mm to 10 mm and ultrafine 0.2 mm increments, you can easily dial in your perfect trim using the smooth rotary dial. The trimmer feels as premium as it looks, and its travel case and intuitive LED battery indicators add to the polished user experience. Performance-wise, the BT9000 Prestige features a power adapt sensor that reads beard density up to 125 times per second, dynamically adjusting motor speed for consistent cutting and fewer pulls. You'll get up to 120 minutes of cordless use from a 1-hour charge, with a handy quick charge option for single-use emergencies. It's fully waterproof for easy cleaning under the tap, and its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle. While it may not be suited for longer or bushier beards due to its 10 mm max setting, it's an excellent choice for men who want sharp, precise control and a truly luxurious grooming tool. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.